All right, so to update Android on your Motorola phone, we'll first go to Settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down to System Updates, which is kind of towards the bottom here. You'll see your update status, when it was last updated, and what software version it was updated to. And you can tap that Check for Update button to check for a new update. It'll run a quick scan to see what's available for your phone, and then either offer to update or tell you you're already up to date. Mine says everything looks good, but if you have a new update available, you can install it here. One thing Motorola gets criticized a lot for is the way they offer, or don't offer, software updates for their lineup. So the budget tier, like the Moto G or the Moto E series, these phones usually see just one upgrade and 2 years of security patches, and some newer Moto G models are promised 2 major OS updates, which still isn't much. The mid-range and flagship phones, like the Edge series, usually get 2 upgrades and 2 to 3 years of patches, which honestly still isn't great compared to other brands. Even Motorola's top-of-the-line Razr Ultra is capped at just 3 Android updates. Motorola has occasionally done better on select models. A few, like the Edge 50 Neo, have gotten 5 years of updates. But that's the exception, not the rule. For comparison, Google Pixel and Samsung both offer 7 years of updates on most of their phones now, even budget models. So Motorola is genuinely behind the rest of the industry here. Anyway, so that's how you check for updates. If you're not seeing the latest Android version available, it just means that your phone is not going to get that update. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.